Hello there, radiant souls, and welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about the difference between soul protection and soul restoration. Before I get started, there's my usual invitation to like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you think somebody might benefit from the content. So, soul protection versus soul restoration. Soul protection safeguards your energy field from dark forces, from attachments, or other draining influences. So soul protection can include removing a target if you've been targeted by dark force energy, also removing the effects of lower frequency energy being in your field. Soul restoration, on the other hand, helps to bring back lost, fragmented, or depleted parts of your soul energy. And you can think of it like this. Soul protection is more of like removing what is harming you, and soul restoration is restoring the strength and energy that should be yours, that is your birthright to have. And when you experience soul restoration, you can operate with more clarity, more groundedness. You might notice that your intuition is working a little bit better. You have a little more clarity there. Both of these practices, soul protection, soul restoration, can be helpful. And I invite you, if either of these sound like they might be helpful to you, feel free to reach out to me. And as I'm wrapping this up, the usual request, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.